everybody, welcome back. It's good to see you again. I would like to talk today about the certifications, what that means, and if those are useful. So during my career, I have gained different certifications across different projects, so I needed to interact with different technologies. Some of those very focused on best practices. I think like ISO 27001, ITIL, COVID, but it's not, there is a standard for the COVID 5 for governance and best practices, and also ethical hacking, Cisco, and multiple certifications. Also, some base for some focus in project management and agile and all that. Last year, I needed to learn more about the cloud and different technologies. So, with all this pandemic situation, Microsoft released multiple courses and provide a chance to get certified. So I take advantage of that opportunity, and I have applied for three different certifications. All those based on the foundations, the first level of one of all those specialties. So AC 900, AI 900, and DP 900. All those are very focused on Azure platform, of course. And the good thing here is, even if those are foundations, you will have a great idea about what capabilities, what opportunities you will have to interact with these platforms and provide value for your employer or your project. So the first one they have gained was AC900. And basically, Microsoft provides online courses, and you need to take that course. You will obtain sometimes you will obtain a voucher where you can create your own elements there, and you can start practicing doing the labs and all that. Same thing with AI 900 and DP 900. AI, as the name said, is artificial intelligence, so you will be able to understand and have a great hands-on and different, let's say, workshops, right? And with TPI 900, similarly, you will be able to ingest data and perform some transformations, create pipelines, and all that. So that is great, great. And again, for beginners, this is very important. And at the same time, a lot of huge companies are looking for people that has experience and at least few certifications. So that is the way to start with those. Additionally, last year I have taken another course that was the ITIL. So in total, last year I have gained four certifications. And the number is not important. The real important thing is, to start learning, applying that knowledge to your everyday work, right? And provide again that value to your company and also for yourself, because now when you understand how you should do anything, that is great, because you will be able to to fix or prevent different outages because you were not following the standard, the recommendation, right? Let's say the size of the VM for specific things, you should think in this specific components, right? And this size of VM, or how you need to replicate data or perform backups or enable different alerts. So it's very great to have that understanding. And again, the focus here is not to gain certification just to have more, right? The idea is to learn, apply the knowledge. At the end of the day, the certification doesn't guarantee that you are ready, very prepared, but at least give you the foundations and the tools to have the best way to start, and not just to to follow different things right out there. So my recommendation, again, try to use platforms to learn. Microsoft provide that for free. You can use also a platform like Linux Academy, Udemy, and multiple others. So uh, our career requires to get and obtain new knowledge and continue learning. So that is something that if you enjoy, you will be very entertained with that. This year I have applied two certifications. So one is the elastic one that I have mentioned in the previous videos. That was rough. I basically needed to invest a lot of time in that one, And recently I have gained the SRA certification. That is a very, very good one, and I highly recommend this for everyone that is involved in development and operation, right? Because it really provides a very new way to interact and provide a better service for everybody. So again, I'm very glad to have the opportunity to talk with all you and hope that this information can help you to continue growing in your career. Definitely it's a long journey, but having those certifications, some experience, creating our labs and play with that technology, we give you, we give us better chances to get to the point that we are looking for. So thank you one more time. Have a good one and see you in the next video. Bye bye.